Hey everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, ConfidentCashCars.com. I got a full-size truck here today. This is a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. It has the small V8, gold paint, gold interior, tan interior, very good condition, mechanically excellent. This truck also has gone through our entire process at our shop, Turnage Auto Care Center, and she needs nothing mechanically of significance. The oil pressure light is kind of squirrely, and every time I take it to the shop it works fine, but at this time the oil pressure light is sitting on 0, but the truck has great oil pressure. Something's faulty with that light, that gauge, so I'm going to try to figure that out. The big bad on this truck, the reason why it's priced well below the value, is that it has that big rust spot. And please hear, it has not been up north, it has been in Florida near the coast. The undercarriage is fine. We are more than happy to put it up on a lift and get you more information, let you see underneath it, take more pictures. But do reference all the pictures that I've provided of the imperfections, and that is the most significant item. Truck runs perfectly smooth, very nice. It is a manual truck, manual windows. I mean manual in that it doesn't have power options, but it is of course automatic transmission. Cruise control, you know, rubber floor mats, and it actually has the extra front and rear rubber floor mats. It has the brake, trailer brake control module installed, ice cold AC, good dash, good seats, good everything, good headliner. May have been a work truck, but has not been abused. It does not appear. Very solid truck. So if you're looking for a good old truck, one you can beat up and not worry about and not spend a whole lot of money on it, this is a good one. And I failed to mention it does have 197,000 miles on it. So 3 owners, no accidents, clean history, mechanically sound. 2005 Dodge Ram with 197K. Check out our website for more pictures and details, ConfidentCashCars.com, or call me, Aaron, at 803-853-4300 anytime. Thanks for checking it out.